I'll be honest with you. I don't know what that was.
Focus on the entrepreneurship. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Don't have anything to say.
Good night. Nana, it's a no from me.
It's a no from me.
Sorry, it's a no from me too.
I can't do this. I can't do this. Please, one more chance. I can't do this.
It's a no from me.
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 Yeah.
It's a no from me.
It's a no for me.
We can just take a vote. Yeah.
It's a no from me.
It's a no from me, my darling. Sorry.
Thank you for the opportunity.
No from me, bro. Thank you.
That's a no. That's a no.
Like I said, this is not karaoke, bro.
Was that your vote?
Yeah, it's a no.
It's a no from me too. I know. Sorry, sweetheart.
It's a no, man. Sorry, not today.
I'm sorry, it's a no from me.
And it's a no from me.
It's a no from me. I'm sorry, dear.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think we all know what we want to say.
Sure.
You don't have a voice.
That
Okay.
we're looking for.
You know, you don't have a voice. Nobody's looking for that voice. Okay?
At this point in time, you're not Nigerian Idol material.
Yes. That's better.